Hello, this is Ashley from Oxbow Meadows at Columbus State University. Today, we're going to be looking at some groups of animals that do something very interesting. Some animals lay eggs, some animals have live birth, some animals look the same their entire lives, and some look entirely different. Take a look at this animal and see what you notice. Welcome back. What did you notice? What type of animal do you think that this is from your observations? What can you conclude? Well, now I'm going to show you something that may surprise you. Let's take a look. Well, this beetle is actually the adult of the animal that you saw first, which was the mealworm or the larva. So that animal does not look the same its entire lifetime. That means that it goes through a special process and it changes its body or its form over its lifetime. Let's take a look at some other examples too. Now that you've seen the darkling beetle's life cycle, and you've seen another example or two of some other insects that go through metamorphosis or change their bodies, anything from a butterfly that's beautiful flying around, it started its life as a caterpillar, same thing for moths. That mealworm changed from a brownish, orangish worm-type creature into a black beetle. These animals are sort of like transformers. I think they're very special, cool animals, and they go through that process. Do you remember what that process is called? Can you think of any other animals that go through that process? We'll see you next time. Thanks for joining Oxbow Meadows.